So hey good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shahzad and you are watching Crypto Taleem. So today in this video I am gonna show you that how you can participate in Bybit new launch pool project MV token that is Gensometa. Okay, so that's all in this video I am all covering about. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and so let's go. Okay, so you can see the Bybit Twitter in which they announced that they will launch their new launchpool project MV. Okay, so you just need Bybit account. So if you don't have Bybit account, you can create one by using my link. Okay, you can simply go to, so you can simply use my link and you can get up to $4,100 bonus when you sign up through my link. Okay, so make sure to create new account and sign up through my link. Okay, so you just have to download Bybit app from Play Store, and you can see this interface when you open this Bybit Exchange. Okay, so here you can see this interface. Right now you can see all the available programs that are live on Bybit Exchange. You can see this launch pool, Bybit Genkishi launch pool just announced here. Okay, so what you do, you just have to click on Wi-Fi center. Here you can see that here you just have to click on Wi-Fi center, and you can see all the tokens that you can stake. Okay, so here you can see all the tokens that you can stake right now. Okay, so here are the different features of Bybit Exchange. Here you can see flexible staking. You can do dual asset staking, you can do DeFi mining, and you can do a launch pool. In the launch pool section, you can simply stake your bit DAO tokens, and you can earn different project tokens that are live on launch pool. Okay, so here you just have to click on Wi-Fi center. Okay, so Wi-Fi center, I just click on Wi-Fi center, and you can see all the details. You will see this here pool, bit pool. Okay, so I just click on here, and you can see that it will start calculation about 20 January, and it will start distribution on 21. Okay, so you can stake max 30,000 bit tokens. Okay, so you can stake maximum 30,000 bit tokens and earn MV tokens. Okay, so you can see there are about these tokens that are just staked right now after 12 minutes. Okay, so you will earn 100% APY. So I just have to click on here. You can see minimum staking amount is 50 bit. You can stake minimum 50 bits, and you can stake maximum 30,000 bit. Okay, so you just have to click on transfer. Okay, so transfer, so you have to transfer your bit tokens from spot account to Bybit account. Okay, so make sure that you transfer from spot account to Bybit account. So I just click on, you can see that I have about 74 bit tokens. So I just select my bit tokens and click on confirm transfer. Okay, so here I just click on confirm transfer, and my tokens will be transferred from spot account to my Bybit account. Okay, so here you can see that now my available balance is 74 bit tokens, and I can just click on I can just enter my value, enter my tokens that I am want to stake and earn MV tokens. So I just click on maximum, and you can see that my 74.30 tokens are selected, and I just have to click on stake now. Okay, so just click on stake now, and your bit tokens will be staked, and you will earn MV tokens. Okay, so here you can see my order is successfully purchased. I have staked about 74 tokens. So I will earn, and you can see that 100% APY, and I will earn these tokens on 21 January. So I just here I just have to click on confirm. You can see the button. I just have to click on confirm, and you can see that my tokens are just staked. Okay, so you just have to now enjoy. You can see that my tokens are staked on MV launch pool, and this launch pool will end in 6 days. Okay, so there are total 12.5 million MV tokens that you can that everyone will be earned through this launch pool. Okay, so make sure to enter in this launch pool so that you can earn maximum MV tokens. Okay, so this pool which will end in about 7 days, and this is a very short term period, and you will earn a lot of MV tokens. So make sure to enter in this launch pool as soon as possible. So that's it in this video. So if you love the video, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and create account through my link to get about $4,100 new user welcome bonus. Okay, so that's all in this video. I will meet you in my next video. Stay happy, stay blessed.